Hello guys, welcome to Nishi Blue Tarot. So I'm back for all of you with another pick a card reading. I hope all of you are doing good. You guys are very wonderful and very supportive. Thank you so much for participating in all the polls and everything else, for your comments, everything. So today what we're going to be looking at is your person's current energies, their current thoughts and feelings for you. What are they feeling? How is it going? Something around those lines, like I do every week. So this is that weekly energy update. Um, okay, so without talking much, let's jump into the reading. Uh, Today the energies feel a little around my heart, very heavy feeling. I don't know. Let's see what we pick up from the cards. So, as you can see, I've laid out three piles for you. Pile number one is going to be this black tourmaline wand. Pile number two is going to be this LAPIZ lazuli wand, or I think some people call it lapi lazuli. I don't know how is it pronounced, but please, just if you're attracted to the crystal, please go ahead. And pile number three is going to be this clear quartz wand. Okay. All right. So I'll give you 2 seconds to choose. I'll pause for 2 seconds. Please think of your person, think of your situation, take a deep breath, and go ahead and pick your pile. Okay, so without any delay, let's begin with pile number one. Just give me a second, I'll put these aside. Alright, so I have just picked up 2 oracle decks today, and I picked oracle cards from there, and I'll be using tarot cards to look a little deeper. So this is pile number one. Whoever chose this black tourmaline wand. Alright, so let's see what are your person's current thoughts and energies towards you, towards the connection. In general, what's going on with them. Okay, let's see. Oh, so I have, so pile number 1 and 3 I think has 2 cards from the Chakra Inside Oracle. So let's see. Passion, desire, fun, fulfillment and joy. Okay. Home, shelter, safety, nurturing and warmth. Magic, alchemy, beautiful. I have 2 cards of number 7. Okay. So, alright, I am seeing that your person is right now pretty much tapped into their heart chakra and the root, the base chakra. Alright. This person is on fire for you right now. Like, it's not just this card says passion, but this is a part of the heart chakra alignment. So I'm seeing this passion is driven by a lot of emotions in them. Okay. They're feeling some sort of a very strong connection with you, and it is accompanied by magic. So this person could be suddenly feeling very strong, like their belief systems could be changing. Like, how do I put this across to you? For example, if this person was someone who probably did not believe too much in spirituality or very strong connections, they are now, and they feel very safe with you. They love the way you probably take care of them, the way you nurture them. This person just feels like, I don't know, for a lot of you, maybe this person just probably loves lying down on your lap or something like that, putting their head on your lap or something like that, because I'm seeing that This person feels very connected to you in a lot of ways, and there is a huge amount of desire in this person for you. Like, they're suddenly thinking of a lot of things associated with you. This is to do with alchemy for some of you. When I talk alchemy, it's basically they think that you are someone, maybe they are in, like, I don't know if they've said this to you or something, but they are really fond of your touch. They feel that your touch is very, very divine for that matter. Okay? Oh, also, I am seeing that this person feels very fulfilled with you. Very fulfilled, and it's like their heart space could be opening up right now for you. Okay? Because it is so much of. It is so close to them, it feels like home. Okay? They just feel the safety, and I mean, the safety and the bubble. I mean, that's what I'm getting. Like, they feel like they can rest in this bubble. It's like a place where they can just lie down and be taken care of. It's a very happy feeling I'm seeing. Okay, this person feels very, very connected to you in a lot of levels. Like, I don't know, for a lot of you, I feel this person could be getting awakened to spirituality, and not even spirituality, but just in general getting awakened to feelings, emotions, because this is 5, 6, 7, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Both are 7 cards. So the passion or the emotions and the passion attached to this connection is just opening this person up to infinite possibilities in your connection. Okay? It's a very beautiful energy that I'm picking up. For a lot of you, this person waits for a message for you or to talk to you. And for some of you, I'm picking up you guys are soulmates. Soulmates from, I mean, because there is a deep soul connection here. Okay? And I'm picking up some divine guidance or some sort of a higher power involved in this connection. Let's see what else are they feeling for you. Let me pick some tarot cards. Page of Pentacles. So this person could also be feeling a little scared that, maybe will you accept them? I don't know. Is it true? Please let me know in the comments, because I'm seeing that this person could feel where I see a very kiddish side of their personality come out in front of you. Okay? This person has something to tell you. This person wants to give you something. But right now it's quite small because it's the Page of Pentacles. But it is something very crucial for them. And they really want to give this to you. But they're a little scared that will you accept them? Let's see what else. Queen of Swords. Alright. There is some scare here in their mind. Yeah, could be from the past. I don't know, like, did you cut them off really bad and they just feel that, okay, those thoughts are there in his mind. I don't know why I said his. It could be her also. Let's see, what else are they feeling for you? Maybe sometimes you've been pretty stern with this person and that thought is still there in their mind. So they're scared of confessing their true feelings to you because maybe they feel that you will cut them off again or something like that. Eight of Swords. So yes, this person is a little scared and trapped in their mind, and this trapment is around Seven of Pentacles. I think they're just thinking to invest more over here, and that's a decision that they're in the process of taking that decision, basically, whether to do this or not. Should I proceed or not? I think this goes a lot with the Instagram message that I did today. Guys, you can go and check that out if that would resonate. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. Because I picked up something around the same lines, that the connect is very strong, but there are some fears here which could be stopping your person from expressing how they are feeling for you. Okay, let's see what else. Ten of Swords. They think a lot about you, this I can see, but the point is that even after the thinking, it's like resistance and blah blah blah. They are not being able to like let go of you or anything. That energy I don't see. They can't let go of you. They really are fond of you. Maybe when they read books also, they are thinking about you and the time they've spent with you. So I don't think they are in the resistance phase, but yeah, there are certain things that they're scared about. They don't know if you would accept them. Those feelings are there in their mind even now, like, you know, because it's something happened in your connection. It's to do with you only. Something happened where you probably would have been very stern or something, and that's why this person is still fearing it. No, let me use this deck. Let's see what else are they feeling right now for you. I have the Knight of Pentacles. So yes, they slowly want to move in the direction of coming towards you, but it's slow. Okay, they want to see if this stands the test of time. Yes, Three of Wands. They want to see how this goes with you. Like, see, I'm not picking up a vibe of they leaving you or anything. Okay, they want you in their life because this connection is very special to them. They feel, I mean, they don't really feel this kind of a strong bond with anyone for that matter. So this person wants to see. They don't want to exhaust this connection. If you get what I'm trying to say, they don't want to like end it. Okay, they don't want to like do everything. They want to take baby steps, one step at a time. Let's see what else. What else are they feeling for you right now? They have two cards, Queen of Wands and Three of Swords. Okay, maybe in the past, or maybe you have this habit of overthinking about things and cutting things off, and like maybe saying, I'm just picking up that maybe sometimes you've gotten angry and said certain things to this person, or just maybe done something in the heat of the moment. This person has that in mind, okay? It still plays in their mind, and that's probably one of the reasons why they keep their innermost thoughts to themselves, okay? They don't express it, they don't bring it out, okay? Because this person has a lot for you, like a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings. They feel that you are like the apt match, but there are some issues, okay? I mean, you could have your own reasons for doing this, but this person is scared of those reasons. That's what I'm picking up. This person is scared of those reasons that, okay, I mean, there is a sense of fear in this person, okay? Let's see, what else? What else are they thinking and feeling for you? I have the Knight of Pentacles once again. So this person wants to give you something stable for sure. They don't want to lose you. Okay, this person really wants to have you in their life. They are kind of being able to see a future sort of a place with you. But it's in their mind right now and it's going to be slow. Okay, it's going to be slow. They do think about you very often and they don't want to do it all together. It's going to be slow, guys. King of Wands. So yes, I have the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. So passion, of course, a lot of passion. We did see the passion card, but the thing is that this passion is accompanied by stability. They don't want, I mean, it's a very sweet feeling. I'm seeing that this person does not want this passion to end at all between the two of you. So you might see that sometimes this person can detach, but they just want to test the waters. They just want to see how much can this connection handle, or is he or she going to react again the same way that happened in the past. Okay, let's see what else. The Lovers. So some of you could be connecting to a Gemini, or I feel some of you could be connecting to some fire sign, Aries. Anyways, I'm seeing that this person will soon decide, okay? Decide to have a future with you. Ten of Pentacles. This person will take this leap of faith towards you, and that's why I'm seeing that they want to take it slowly. They want to take it slowly so that they want to know you in and out, how you're going to react, what are you going to do, because they feel that this connection has potential. Okay, this person does really have huge hopes from this connection. But I told you the reason why they can be sometimes a little stuck. Maybe they might not tell you exactly how they are feeling because something in the past happened in your connection, and that's the reason why they feel that, okay, I'm scared, I cannot be 100% open right now because this person hasn't till now got that trust fully. Okay, you can check out my Instagram page. I think it's going very well with today's message that I did. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. So any which ways, this person is very involved with you. Okay, now let me see what is the advice for you. I'll use the Sexual Magic Tarot. What is the advice for you? Pile number 1. King of Wands again. Okay. Look, this person has a very dominating and authoritative nature. I mean, in a good way. I'm not picking this up as a bad thing here. Okay. This person wants to capture your mind fully. They want your attention fully. Okay. Maybe you don't give them full attention and they are able to see that. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. But the thing is that this person doesn't want you to look anywhere else at anyone other than them, because there is a lot of passion that they have for you and they want to give it all to you. When it comes, I mean, I'm not even talking about only passion. It is everything. Love, emotions, feelings. They can give you everything provided you stay stable. Sometimes maybe you have this habit of putting your guards up. That's what they don't want. Okay, that's what I'm seeing for you guys. Pile number 1. Okay, alright, so let me know in the comments if this resonated. Private readings are open. Details are there in the description box, so you can reach out to me. And take care. I hope this reading got the clarity for you that you were seeking. Bye bye. I'll see you soon again. Okay, so let's now move to pile number 2. Whoever chose the LAPIZ wand. Okay, so let's see. Here's the LAPIZ wand, whoever chose this. Let's see what are your person's current thoughts and feelings. So I have picked up 2 oracle decks from which I've picked up cards. Let's see what do the cards have to say to you. Self-expression, vocalization, individuality, inner voice, assertiveness. This is the throat chakra. And fire, ignition. Some sort of a talking needs to happen here. Some talking is going to change the whole dynamic of this connection is what I'm picking up. Okay. Either this person wants to talk to you or they want you to talk to them openly about what you feel. For a lot of you, I think it's they who could be that they're lacking this fire to talk to you. Okay. Because it requires a certain sense of assertiveness and they're not able to have that right now and they're kind of blocked at the throat chakra or something. I think you're the one who has to take the lead here, probably. But let's see with the cards. I'm actually seeing that this person could be a little blocked. This person maybe is not able to talk, maybe is not able to say what they are feeling right now. And that could be making you angry. Okay, but the point is, this is not the time to get angry. You're supposed to understand this person because they are lacking the assertiveness in them. Let's see what this is through the cards. Page of Swords, yes. It's about talking. 10 of Swords. So there is some conversation that needs to happen between the two of you, and that is a very tough thing to do at this point. This person is just thinking and not doing anything, I feel. They have a lot of ideas and this could be making you angry, I feel, for some reason, yeah. King of Swords. One more, please. Hermit. So, this person is not sure about what to tell you at this point. However, there are a lot of things that they want to say. Let me see, what do they want to say? What is it that they want to say to you? So I have the 6 of Swords. There's a lot of swords in this reading. 10 of Pentacles. So see, the idea is that this person does see, they do see you as someone whom they can feel very peaceful with. They want to run away somewhere. See, or one more thing that I'm picking up here is that maybe you're thinking that they are fine, but no, they're not fine. They're actually thinking a lot about this situation and they're not able to come to a conclusion. At this stage, I'm seeing that they really want to talk to you and tell you about, like, the desire is there, but how do we do this? Okay, there is some sort of a blockage here in terms of fear, not knowing what to do. This person could be literally, I'm telling you, literally wanting to fix their life, but I think this person has had this constant problem of not being able to speak their mind or not being able to talk. Let's see, what else are they feeling right now for you? Seven of Cups. See, again, constant overthinking, and they're alone. To be very frank, this person is very alone. They're not really sharing their thoughts or telling anybody how are they feeling at this point. Okay, let's see what else. The Empress. So on the other hand, they know that, okay, I don't know what's going on in your dynamic, guys. Let me know in the comments. I am seeing that you think they are fine, they think you're fine, but none of you are fine. I think there is a subtle or a little bit of a separation, and there is this constant thinking that, okay, I'm not going to text. Why should I? She's doing what he's doing, fine. So why? It's going from both the sides, by the way. You guys are mirroring each other. Okay. This person thinks that why would you need them? Okay, why would you? Because this person feels that you are like way high above and you have everything. Why do you need them? Let's see what else. Temperance. But deep down somewhere I'm seeing that they want to settle things down. Like they don't want to have this overthinking and all. That's why I'm seeing that they want to talk, but they're just not able to put this across to you. Yeah, Three of Cups. Maybe you're always surrounded by people, or you have a lot of things happening around you. So they also don't want to disturb you too much. That's also there in their mind, and they are just thinking that, does she even care, or does he or she even care, or should I like disturb this person's life? There's so much going on with him or her. I don't know, something like that. But to be very honest, I see that this person thinks a lot about you, and they're just muddling things up in their mind because of this overthinking. Okay, they're just kind of, like, this is very stupid, I'm so sorry to say. It's like you're just making your assumptions basis your own thinking. Like the other person is not, there is no discussion, and that's the reason why we're seeing that this person probably wants to talk. Otherwise they'll keep making these assumptions, which is not good. And I'm not saying that, if you can, then please try to strike a conversation, because this person is struggling. We have the throat chakra card here. So if you can, then please do it. Let's see what else. Again, Nine of Swords. This person is overthinking and overthinking and overthinking, and really not being able to even sleep for that matter. Let's see what else. Queen of Pentacles. Yes, they want to walk with you. Yes, they want to start something fresh with you. Yes, they feel that you both can be very good partners. But this whole thinking is killing them. Again, I have the Empress twice. So this person, okay, for a lot of you, maybe you're earning more than this person. Take it how it resonates. Or you're at a higher position than this person. Or you're just too well off than this person. Or you're more spiritually awakened. Basically, this person is seeing you as someone who's a little higher than them. So they're just not being able to gather the courage to go ahead and speak to you. Okay? This person is scared. And the idea is to talk. So now that you're watching this reading, maybe if you can strike that conversation, then nothing like it. Right? That's what I'm picking up from this person. Now let me see what is the advice for you. I'll use the sexual magic. Okay, the advice to you is, okay, this person, again, it's like pile number one. This person wants your attention, I'm seeing, and maybe you're focused somewhere else, or they feel that you're focused somewhere else, or there are other people offering you a lot and this person knows. This person has some self-worth issues, for sure, okay? And they're not able to kind of get over that, and it's nothing, it's not your fault, okay, if they are not being able to get over it. It's not your fault, right? But yeah, they do have self-worth issues. Queen of Cups. So here I'm seeing that this person, okay, they want an equal give and take, okay, in this connection. Maybe they feel that, you know, see, for usually, I don't know, this is these, I mean, I'm talking to the women watching here, this pile. I'll come to the, I want to talk about the gender for this particular pile. I'm actually seeing that this person wants to be able to match up to you, and this is like a little bit of a male ego that I'm seeing, okay? But however, maybe you're someone who people look up to, people seek information or advice from you, because you're very high above there, okay? So this person just feels that they can't match up to you. The advice to you is that if you can, then just make them feel that there's nothing like that. Okay, that's what I'm picking up from here. But I don't know what your situation is, but here I'm just seeing that this person is struggling with self-worth. That's the reason why their throat chakra is blocked. They can't talk. They can't express themselves. Okay, pile number 2. That's what I have for you guys. Let me know in the comments if this made sense and give you the clarity. Okay. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me and let me know if this reading made sense to you. Take care, and I shall see you soon again. Bye. Okay. So now let's move to the final pile, which is pile number 3. This is the clear quartz pile, whoever chose this. So let's see. This is the clear quartz wand. Let's see what are your person's current thoughts and feelings, their current energies towards you. So this pile also has 2 cards from here. Grounding, nature, presence, practicality and stability. And I have sexuality, openness, sharing, beauty and honor. And I have transformation or pressure from the other deck. Okay. See, there is a very strong transformative energy between the two of you in this connection. Okay, I'm actually seeing that this person feels a very, very strong pull towards you. This is the sacral that I'm seeing, and this is the root. So it has to grow now. It's not yet grown fully, it's growing now. Okay. See, right now this person is a very practical, grounded person. At this stage, they feel a strong attraction towards you. But, okay, I'm seeing that this person has to break free and move upwards. So, solar plexus. Then it moves upwards. Then it moves towards the heart chakra. Then it moves towards throat. Then the third eye. You know, that's how it goes. And then the crown. So, this person is still stuck in the ground level right now. So, they are not looking into feelings at this point. I'm seeing that this person is very attracted towards you sexually, and all they can think of is probably having a good intimacy with you because it pulls them. Okay, this, I mean, sexual pulls are not just something to just like kill or blah blah blah. All right. It's not like it's just a passing thing. You feel sexually attracted towards someone when there is something between the two of you, right? So here I'm actually seeing that this person feels a very strong pull towards you, but they're again a little not sure if can this grow or why is this so strong for that matter. In the question answer phase is what they are in right now. Okay? Now let me see what else are they thinking through the tarot cards. 1 minute. Yeah, I have the Three of Pentacles. I'll take this. So yes, this person, there could be a third party situation here between the two of you. This person wants to work on this connection, even if there is a problem or if there are other people involved here, they don't want to lose you. Let's see what else. King of Swords. So yes, this person has a very cold side to their personality, and it's a little tough to break free from that, and they are seeing a very different side of their personality with you, with the Strength card I'm seeing, and it's a little tough for them to balance. That's why we have this Transformation card. It's a little tough for them to balance themselves at this point. Okay, let me see what else. Knight of Swords again. So look, this person is used to leading a life like this, where they are harsh, where they're very critical, nothing matters. But it's like suddenly there is a rewiring of the brain. Ten of Cups. Suddenly the world around them is changing a little bit, and they are being forced to look at a side of their personality which they probably hadn't explored ever before. So it's a little too transformative for them, and we started on that note. This reading, we started on that note. So they're trying to cope up. Okay, it's tough when there are two contradictory energies existing in a person. So this person is trying, and I'm seeing that at this point the question answer is going on very strongly in them. Maybe they are not telling you. Okay, maybe they are not telling you. It's something to do with the number 6. Okay, so make a note of that. I'm actually seeing that maybe they are not wanting to discuss these things with you because they feel that will be showing their vulnerable side, so they don't want to. Okay, let's see what else are their current thoughts or feelings towards you. I have the 5 of Wands and I have the 4 of Wands. Interesting. Wow. So a part of them wants to climb this space, and the other part of them is scared of being blown off. Okay, so it is quite heavy on them. This whole thing is quite heavy, but they can see that a path is opening up for them. Okay, but the point is that are they ready to explore this path? And there is this constant battle going on inside them. Let's see what else. The Chariot, followed by 2 of Cups. I think eventually they will, because we had the 10 of Cups also. So I feel that this person has a huge pull towards you, and it's something that cannot be resisted. It can't be, like, they just can't. It's a little too much to ask from this person. So I see that this person wants to move in the direction where you're there, but it's a little different from their nature, and that's the reason why they are so conflicted. Okay, they're not able to cope up with this change. Let's see what else are their current thoughts and feelings for you. The World. So this person okay, let me pick one more. 9 of Wands. This person understands that this is going to be a breaking free kind of a moment for them. But the point is that, and they were actually subconsciously waiting for somebody to come in their life for whom they could do this. But now it's like that moment where the acceptance part of it is coming into picture. Let me see what else. and justice. Yes, so it is the end. It is the end of their this kind of a behavior. Enough they have walked in on that path where it's been hurting. Like you have to. So this image says it very clearly. Like how long can you walk wearing heels? You can, but till a certain point. Now it's time for you to take off those heels. Like just relax for a bit. So it is that time for this person, but yeah, I still see a little bit of resistance. I will say what I'm picking up. It's not like they are completely now done and they want this no matter what. But the thing is, the resistance is there. However, the desire is also there to run and make this happen. Okay, because it is a beautiful feeling. It is a beautiful energy here in this pile. And they can't anymore be the way they are. Like it's tough, and they probably thought that okay, I am like this and nothing is going to happen and blah blah blah, but no, they can't. All right, let me see an advice for you. What should you do? I'm using the sexual magic. What should you do? I have the 8 of Wands, 10 of Wands, and I have the 9 of Cups. Alright, so I'm seeing that what you need to do is probably you need to tell them how you feel for them. You have to give them subtle hints that you too want this. Okay, it's not like, see, sometimes what happens is that in the whole process of protecting ourselves, we'll end up being very rude. And that's what you probably need to stop. Okay? Here I'm seeing that this person wants to make this work out. They want to. Okay? Because it's a lot of passion and it's a lot of feelings, and it's pushing them to do things. Okay, so they probably just want to know that do you feel the same way too? Do you have something like this too? They want to know that. Okay, and I think it's through your, they should know that okay, even you crave for them the way they are. So that's something they really want to know from you. Okay, that is the advice. Like totally up to you if you want to do this. So that's what I have for you, pile number 3, and this is your reading. Let me know if this gave you the clarity. Please comment below and let me know. I shall see you soon again with another reading. Take care and bye-bye.